Good morning, dear students. I welcome English medium students in this school. From today, I would like to start our curriculum of 12th standard HL English. Okay, students, English is an important language as well as it is foreign language. In this language, we must have the knowledge of grammar. I noted that some students cannot write English properly or cannot speak English properly because they lack grammar, the knowledge of grammar. Okay. Therefore, I would like to give information regarding the tenses. First of all, from first day, okay, I don't take the lesson or prose or poetry. Lesson means prose or poetry. But today we discuss about the tenses. Some students have no knowledge about the tenses. Even they are students. I think of 12 standards, but they do not know, some students. Okay, therefore I would like to give information about the tenses. What is tense? So students, tenses denotes the time. Tenses denotes the time. In a way, the meaning of tense means time. Okay. Therefore, we must have the knowledge about the tenses. It denotes the time of an action. Whether they take place in simple, present, past, and future. Okay, present, past, or future. Action. Tense denotes the time of an action, okay, or incidents that take place whether in present, past, and future. Okay. Now the question is that how many types of tenses are there? Okay, you have the question. How many types of tenses? So therefore we understand. I think by the chart the types of tenses. Okay. There are mainly three types of tenses. Okay, mainly three types of. Okay, total 12 types of, but main three types of tenses are there. Present tense, past tense, future tense. Okay, mainly three types of tenses are there. If you see the video, then you write down in your notebook by seeing this video and draw the chart and then write down. Okay. Now we understand the four types of present tense. Okay. Simple present tense. Present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Now, again understand the types of present tense. Understand simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Okay, all these tenses are the types of present tense. Now, the turn of past tense. Number one, simple past tense. Number 2, past continuous tense. Number 3, past perfect tense. And past perfect continuous tense. Simply we have to understand today, I think on the first day, again understand the tenses, types of past tense: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Now future tense. Understand simple future tense, number 2, future continuous tense, number 3, future perfect tense, and number 4, future perfect continuous tense. Now again I explain the types of tenses. First, present tense, simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. Past tense, the types of past tense are 4: simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. There are 4 types of future tense: simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, and future perfect continuous tense. Now today I discuss about present tense only. Then next time I will explain the past tense and future tense. Simple past tense. Simple past tense, actually it denotes, I think, the regular activities of day-to-day life, habitual actions. Okay, I think the natural truth and rules. All these sentences are included in simple present tense. Again, I think understand day-to-day activities, general truth, habitual actions, the future event that is the part of a fixed timetable. All these actions are included in the simple past tense. General truth. Understand first of all general truth, habitual action. Okay, day-to-day activities. All the actions regarding these general truth, habitual action, and day-to-day activities, I think are included in simple present tense. Okay. For an example, if there is action of general truth, then we can say that the sun rises in the east. Okay, this is the general truth. Therefore, this sentence is included in simple present tense. Habitual action, we can say that I think I get up early in the morning. I regularly I think go to school. All such examples are included in the simple present tense. Okay, the formula of simple present tense is subject, okay, s or es to the verb or main verb, okay, object. This is the formula of simple present tense. Subject s or es to the main verb or main verb, okay, or object. Examples, as I told you, sun rises in the east. Okay, I regularly go to temple. I regularly go to school. Hiren gets up early in the morning. All these sentences are of simple present tense, as I told you. Okay, the certain words are of present tense is every day, often, daily. Okay, all I think these are generally, usually. All these words are certain words of simple present tense. Now I explain you the present continuous tense. Which type of action I think can be included in this I think tense? The action which is going on in the present only. The action which is going on in the present. In the present while speaking time. Okay, for an example, what I am doing, I am teaching you the grammar. This is the, I think, example of present continuous tense. They are learning grammar. The students are speaking English language. Okay, when you, I think, apply ing to the main verb. Okay, understand the formula. Subject is MR, okay, plus ing to the main verb plus object plus other words. Okay, this is the formula of active voice. Subject is MR, okay, ing to the main verb, object or plus other words. We can say that I am teaching the grammar to you. Okay? I subject, am auxiliary verb, teach main verb, ing is applied to the main verb teaching the grammar to you. Okay? This is the example of present continuous tense. He is driving the car. He is driving the car. Okay? At this time. He is driving the car at this time. Is driving. Okay? ing denotes with is present continuous tense. The certain words are now, at this time, at this moment. Okay? Now next turn of present perfect tense. Present perfect tense. The action which is completed or finished in near past. Okay, generally the action which is nearly finished in near past, it is called present perfect tense. Generally the formula is that subject plus have, has plus past participle okay, plus object. This is the formula of present perfect tense plus other words. Okay, have is applied to the plurals and has is applied to the singular person. Plural. Have is applied to the plural. Okay, subject. We can say that Hitesh has just finished his work. We can say that like this example, Hitesh is singular subject, okay? Therefore, we can apply has to the Hitesh. Just other word, finished, past participle, and his object, his work, his object. Okay? We can say that Hitesh has just finished his work. I have already eaten my lunch. Okay? I have already eaten my lunch. पहले थी मैंने लंच मेरा लिया है. I have already eaten my lunch. Therefore, have is applied to I only. I or plural subjects already eaten my lunch. These are the examples of present perfect tense. Okay. The third example we can say that the students have recently passed their exam. Okay, have recently past participle. Okay, now the main certain words of this tense is already, recently, just. Okay, or these type of words can be used in this tense, present perfect tense. Now only three tenses understand. First of all, next time I will teach you present perfect continuous tense and other types of past tense and future tense. Okay, now you see this video and try to understand the proper formula of the tense, particularly present tense. Thank you very much.